Employment authorization for H-4 dependent spouses. Today, we're delving into the specifics of the Form I-765, application for employment authorization, particularly for H-4 dependent spouses of H-1B non-immigrants. This video aims to guide you through the eligibility criteria, application process, and key considerations for H-4 spouses seeking work authorization in the United States. Understanding the eligibility. The H-4 dependent spouses of certain H-1B non-immigrants can apply for work authorization. Eligibility arises when the H-1B non-immigrant is the principal beneficiary of an approved Form I-140 or has been granted H-1B status under Sections 106, A, B, of AC 21, i.e., post-6th-year extension. Application process for employment authorization. Form I-765 filing. You must file Form I-765, application for employment authorization. To avoid delays, ensure using the latest version of the form. Accompanying documentation. Include all necessary supporting documents, which vary based on your specific eligibility criteria. Supporting evidence requirements. Proof of your H-4 status. Government-issued identification with a photo. Evidence of your relationship with the H-1B non-immigrant. Documentation establishing the H-1B non-immigrant's eligibility under the AC 21 provisions or as a principal beneficiary of an approved I-140. Filing tips. Ensure to complete Form I-765 accurately, accompanied by the appropriate filing fees and necessary signatures. Pay attention to the specific filing addresses for various scenarios, whether filing Form I-765 as a standalone or alongside Form I-539 or Form I-129. Validity and renewal of employment authorization. If the application is filed correctly, your H-4 employment authorization document, EAD, should generally be issued until the expiration date on your most recent Form I-94 showing H-4 status. For continuous work authorization, you must file for EAD renewal before your current EAD expires. Automatic extension of employment authorization. In some cases, you may qualify for an automatic extension of your existing EAD while your renewal application is being processed. For a timely filed EAD extension application, the automatic extension will continue until whichever comes first. A. The end date on Form I-94 showing valid H-4 status. B. The approval or denial of the EAD renewal application, or C. 180 days from the card expires date on the face of the existing EAD. To prove eligibility for automatic extension, you must present specific documents to your employer. Key points to remember. Employment authorization under the H-4 category is directly tied to the H-1B status of your spouse. Ensure timely renewal applications to maintain continuous work authorization. Conclusion. Gaining employment authorization as an H-4 dependent spouse involves navigating through specific eligibility criteria and a meticulous application process. Understanding these requirements is essential for a smooth journey towards obtaining work authorization in the United States.
If you would like Tewary Immigration Law's help on your immigration filing, please email us at info@tewary.com. Our attorneys are licensed in New Jersey and represent clients on immigration matters in all 50 states. This video is for informational purposes and should not be considered legal advice. Speak to an immigration attorney before applying this information to your specific case.